Guardians of the Galaxy, the 35th chapter in the unstoppable Marvel juggernaut. A fresh new vision about superheroes in space who understand 80s pop culture.
We've got the holy nerd Trinity here. Superhero, space opera, and every Harrison Ford character ever.
Your hero is Star-Lord, Peter Quill, an orphan raised on the mean streets of space. He's Han Solo plus Indiana Jones multiplied by pectoral muscles.
When he's not raiding space tombs or walking around shirtless, he's the heart at the center of a motley band of rebels, an alliance of rebels. A rebel alliance, if you will.
I mean, it's your pretty standard lineup. You've got your mystical anthropomorphic tree, your genetically altered raccoon from 1960s Brooklyn, a kick-ass green lady with the tortured past, Dave Bautista, all those typical superhero tropes.
Together they'll face down legions of nameless, faceless drone soldiers, who apparently have a planet of their own somewhere in the Marvel Universe.
Seriously, where do these papier-mâché-faced henchmen come from? Is there some DIY French papercraft planet out there?
Just a bunch of papier-mâché people going to work, playing baseball, getting home before dark, attending 6 to 10 funerals per week.
You could not pay me enough to fight for a Marvel villain. Space recession or not, the death rate is 100%.
And yet there's always more.
Now, most of the chatter around this film started with the news that Chris Pratt, having been a known disgusting person, had suddenly become a not disgusting person.
And Marvel is not going to let you deny this. Chris Pratt is good looking. Look at him. See that?
The billing for this film is literally Chris Pratt, Chris Pratt's nipples, Bradley Cooper.
And you know what? Great nipple acting all around.
Oh, all the nipples did great in this one.
2 nipples way up for Guardians.
Anyway, plot.
Yes, plot.
I mean, you know where this is going, right? The movie made $8 billion already. The sequel's already announced. They're not gonna lose.
Is that a spoiler that they win? Spoiler, they win.
Yeah, TLDW, they win.